Johann Grueber was an Austrian Jesuit missionary and astronomer in China, and noted explorer. He joined the Society of Jesus in 1641, and went to China in 1656, where he was active at the court of Peking as professor of mathematics and assistant to Father Adam Schall von Bell. In 1661 his superiors sent him, together with the Belgian Father Albert d'Orville, to Rome in order to defend Schall's work on the Chinese calendar, as it was impossible to journey by sea on account of the blockade of Macau by the Dutch. They conceived the daring idea of going overland from Peking to Goa by way of Tibet and Nepal. This led to Grueber's memorable journey, which won him fame as one of the most successful explorers of the 17th century. They first traveled to Siningfu on the borders of Kansu, thence through the Kukuna territory and Karmic Tartary to Lhasa. They crossed, amid difficulties and hardships, the mountain passes of the Himalayas, arrived at Kathmandu, Nepal, and thence descended into the basin of the Ganges, Patna and Agra, the former capital of the Mughal Empire. This journey lasted 214 days. D'Orville died at Agra, a victim of the hardships he had undergone. Jesuit Father Heinrich Roth, a Sanskrit scholar, substituted for D'Orville, and with Grueber carried on the overland journey through Persia and Turkey, reaching Rome on the 2nd of February 1664. The journey showed the possibility of a direct overland connection between China and India, and the value and significance of the Himalayan passes. Tonia says, "It is due to Grueber's energy that Europe received the first correct information concerning Tibet and its inhabitants." Although Odorico of Pordenone had traversed Tibet in 1327 and visited Lhasa, he had not written any account of this journey. Antonio de Andrade and Manuel Marquez had pushed their explorations as far as Zaparing on the northern Sutlej. Emperor Leopold I requested that Grueber return to China via Russia in order to explore the possibility of another land route through Central Asia, but the journey ended at Constantinople as Grueber fell seriously sick. He was obliged to return. Though in poor health, Grueber lived another 14 years as preacher and spiritual guide in the Jesuit schools of Trnava and Saint-Roch-Batic, where he died in 1680.